Can you tell them who you are?
What?
I said tell them who you are.
What?
I said tell them who you are.
Who you are?
No, 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 no. I need to say, give them your name.
My name?
Yes,
My name?
yes, your name.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
That's all?
Yes, that's all.
For nothing else?
Yes, nothing else. Go ahead.
Go ahead, what?
I said go ahead and give them your name.
I forgot my name.
What do you mean you forgot your name?
I forgot my name because I'm hungry.
Hungry.
Yes, anyway, I will give you a food later. What do you want to eat?